Come on, girl.
I come straight from the ATC. Down here we do things differently. It's a little country and a little street, and it's hot as hell, but we still roll with heat. We do everything 'cause ain't a thing to do. Cross me, get stomped out by some Georgia boots. I got some homies in the sticks and I got boys with the sticks. Pulling up in trucks and 24s on Crown Vics. Might be hood, but we country living. Get on a dirt road and find some trouble to get in. Don't take no handouts, we go out and work. Get it out the mud, we was raised in the dirt cold. Everybody down here loves them a dirt road. Past curfew, that's the way that you take home. When the moon shines, that's what you gon' take your girl on. When the sun's up, that's what you gon' go to work. Take the whip down there when you feel like riding. Meet up at the end when you feel like fighting. Smoke a little dope where your parents can't find you. Yeah, everybody loves a dirt road. Now it's a couple bandos out here where I live. Ain't got what you want, but hell, I know how to get it. Since I came out the womb, that's how a youngin' been living. Wet you up with them poles, and I ain't talking about fishing. Dope boys riding through at nighttime. If we got a problem, hunt you down like wildlife. King George or some Marvin Gaye blaring out the speakers. He just mad 'cause his girlfriend be sucking like a skeeter. It's slower down here, it ain't no traffic. Everybody know me 'cause I look just like my daddy. If you say a thing about the game, best believe we gon' swing. Meet me on that dirt road, see if you feel the same. Everybody